Hey guys, it's Ella and welcome back to Ella Creative. In today's tutorial, we'll be going over drawing facial expressions. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe. I post new art tutorials and videos every Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alright, let's get sketching. As you guys can see here, I've sketched out the infamous Tinkerbell and her many different emotions. In our example sketches, we'll keep in mind the directionality of our character's face and the movement of the facial muscles in order to help us depict the emotions that we're trying to convey. Here for our first emotion, we have joy. We can see that when a person expresses joy, the corners of the mouth are pulled upwards and back, and the space between the top lip and nose follows along. We can see here that the cheeks are raised and they form wrinkles under the eyes. The eyes can also narrow and sometimes tilt down. For our sketches, indicating these wrinkles at the corners of the eye really helps show that a smile or the happiness and joyful emotion is truly genuine. This tiny detail will go a long way in helping us make realistic drawings. We can see here in our first example that the cheeks are pushed upward because of the mouth. The eyebrows are also pushed upward and are moved closer together, and the smile has an upwards, pulled back shape. You guys can follow along here with me as we sketch out this joyful expression. We can start with our vertical and horizontal line to indicate the directionality of our face, and then sketch the eyes, nose, and mouth from there. A quick tip to help you become familiar with facial expressions is try to keep a mirror handy at your work studio or desk. Many animators actually use this technique and also have full-length mirrors in a studio when they're trying to express full sequences. Here we're indicating the mouth corners are up and pulled back. The next emotion we'll be sketching is fear. With fear, the brows are raised and drawn together. We can see this in the reference photo, and also note that wrinkles can form on the forehead. In fearful expressions, the mouth is usually open, but we can also explore a different position of the mouth, which we will when we begin our sketch. For those of you here at the premiere with me, let me know in our chat how else you think we could express the emotion of fear when illustrating our character's mouth. With fear, we want to distinguish that this is a different emotion from surprised or angry, for example. And to do this, we have to remember to create tension. For our third emotion, we'll be illustrating sadness. When a character is expressing sadness, the inner ends of the eyebrows are raised and moved closer together. Horizontal skin wrinkles develop on the center of the forehead only. Inner corners of the eyes are pulled up and the outer corners of the eyes are pulled down. We can also see the downward angle of the mouth, which lengthens the face slightly and indicates sadness. Let's sketch this. I hope these tips were helpful in your development of drawing facial expressions. For more face expression examples, head over to my blog post linked in the description below, where I dive into 3 additional examples. Let me know which of these expressions is your favorite to draw. Tell me in the comments. See you guys next Friday, and happy sketching!